In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Sepolia in MetaMask. This is a straightforward process that will allow you to access the Sepolia test network for your development needs. Let's get started. First, open MetaMask on your phone or in your browser extension. This initial step is crucial as it acts as the gateway to your Ethereum wallet. You will see your wallet interface displaying your balances and transaction history. It is important that you are logged into your account to proceed. If you are not logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. This ensures that you are working within the correct environment, safeguarding all your assets. Next, tap or click the network selector at the top of the wallet. This selector is pivotal because it allows you to switch between different networks, including main and test networks. You will see a drop-down menu appear, showcasing your current network. This visibility is significant as it provides you the option to easily switch networks whenever necessary. Once you have tapped or clicked on it, you will be ready to explore further options. From there, open Networks. This will direct you to a more detailed view of the networks available in MetaMask. You will see a list containing various networks that you can choose from. This is where you will manage and configure your network settings. Knowing how to navigate this section is essential because it allows you to customize your MetaMask experience according to your development needs. Now, scroll to the bottom of the network list and turn on Show Test Networks. Sepolia is hidden by default, so this step is necessary to access it. You will notice a toggle or checkbox that enables the display of test networks. Activating this option is important because it reveals additional networks that are essential for developers testing their applications. Once you have turned on this feature, you are one step closer to accessing Sepolia. After that, return to the network list and select Sepolia. MetaMask includes Sepolia as a built-in test network, which means it is readily available for you to use. Upon selecting it, your wallet will refresh and you will see that you are now connected to Sepolia. This connection is vital for testing as it allows you to simulate transactions and interactions in a safe environment without using real funds. If Sepolia does not appear, tap Add a custom network and enter the network details manually. This step provides an alternative if the network does not show up as expected. You will need to fill in specific fields to create a custom network. This ensures that you can still access Sepolia even if it is not listed by default. Now let's dive into the manual Sepolia settings. First, enter the network name as Sepolia testnet. This name is simply for your reference within MetaMask. It helps you identify the network you are using at a glance. Next, input the RPC URL as https://rpc2.sepolia.org. The RPC URL is crucial because it connects your wallet to the Sepolia network. Without this, your wallet would not be able to interact with the blockchain. Then, for the chain ID, enter 111,511,111. The chain ID is an identifier for the network, ensuring that you are communicating with the correct blockchain. Following that, set the currency symbol as SepoliaETH. This symbol helps to differentiate SepoliaETH from other cryptocurrencies you might be using. Lastly, input the Block Explorer URL as https://sepolia.etherscan.io/. This URL is important because it allows you to view transactions and blocks on the Sepolia network. Important: Sepolia is a test network for developers. This means that SepoliaETH has no real-world value, and anyone trying to sell it to you is likely attempting a scam. Understanding this ensures you use the network responsibly and protect yourself from potential fraud. You are now ready to use Sepolia in MetaMask.